welcome back to this channel. This is Lord's Chaos, and I have another box video for you guys. I finally got my package today. I had ordered some new stuff, some new wristbands from JSpank on Instagram. I'll leave a link below if you guys want to check out his work. He works amazing, does custom as well. You know, sometimes my wrist, they feel naked. That's why I got the cuffs from him as well. And I saw this on Instagram. I had to get it. Here they are. Down. Look at the spike, because I got these in size small, because I have small wrists. You can see, can't wait to try them on. And they're stylized. These wristbands, I mean. And then if you guys want to follow him on his Instagram, there's this card, check him out. He does cuffs, wristbands, and chokers. That's gonna be it for the video. It was a quick little video for you guys, showing you different styles. I stylize these wristbands I ordered from JSpank. Here's a closer view of them. Like I said before, these are made out of PVC material, and they don't like itch or anything too as well, so they don't get uncomfortable. Because most of these wristbands are made out of leather, and I highly recommend checking out his work on Instagram, JSpank. He does cuffs, chokers, and what's it called, cups, and he does like customized work too. So if you ask him, he can do like a translucent cuffs, choker, you name it. And he can also add like the studs, different colors. So I highly recommend his work. Make sure to check him out. I'll leave a link below. And then if you enjoyed this video and content, please make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I got more videos coming, so stay tuned for that.